The palace says President Bongbong Marcos is open to all suggestions that could further improve the investigation being conducted by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure. At a briefing on Monday, October 20, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro was asked to comment on House Senior Deputy Minority Leader Edgar Eriza's call for the President to convene a special session of Congress to pass a bill granting the ICI additional powers.
Kung may igaganda pa, hindi naman po ito sasarahan ng pinto ng Pangulo. Pero sa ngayon po, sa nakikita po natin, maganda po ang itinatakbo ng pag-iimbestiga ng ICI.
Castro also agrees that it's better if the ICI had more power, even though Marcos is already satisfied with its work. According to Castro, the ICI is currently functioning well.
Mas maganda po talaga na magkaroon ng mas ngipin, pangil ang ICI. Pero sa ngayon po, nakikita naman po natin na maganda ang itinatakbo ng ICI. Pag nagpatawag po sila, kahit mga senador, kahit mga miyembro ng Kongreso, sila naman po ay tumutugon at nagbibigay ng kanilang pahayag. So sa ngayon po, maganda po ang tinatakbo ng ICI at iginagalang po ng mga witnesses or yung mga pinapatawag, mga di umanong concerned parties, ginagalang nilang ICI at tumutugon sila sa patawag.
Bagong Alyansa Makabayan Chairperson Teddy Casino previously called the ICI toothless for having no power to get individuals to testify about the alleged flood control anomalies. Casino said this after contractor couple Sarah and Curly Discayas said they will no longer cooperate with the ICI's investigation, invoking their right against self-incrimination. Marcos issued Executive Order No. 94 creating the ICI on September 11, following reports and investigation into alleged irregularities in the country's flood control projects. The scandal involving corruption in infrastructure projects sparked massive demonstrations across the country, with protesters demanding for accountability for the personalities involved in the alleged irregularities.